Hi, and welcome to BeeCreative Mobile Apps video tutorial series. This is video number 33, Push Notification Feature. In this video, we're going to discuss how to send out a push notification to all your users that have your app downloaded and push notifications enabled. One thing you do need to remember is that if you want to send push notifications out, you must have a Messages tab installed and active on your app. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and log into the BeeCreative Mobile Apps dashboard. And instead of going to the functionality this time, we're going to come up here to the Messages tab. So click on this button right here. Wait for the Messages window to pop up. I'm going to spread it out here just so we have a little bit more room to work with. Okay, so step one here is the message. What we're going to do is just type in the text that we want to push out to all our users. You can see a preview of what that message is going to look like right over here. And then you can also decide who you want to target with this message: iPhone users, Android users, and then if you also want to connect your Facebook account and your Twitter account, it will simultaneously post this notification to your Facebook and Twitter as well as to the app. So that's a good place to send out one notification and have it go to all the different social media networks at one time. Saves you a little bit of time there. So once you have your text message typed up, then you'll go to the next step, which is location. If you want all users to receive this push notification, then you can just move on to the next step. If you want to specifically designate an area of users to get this push notification, say you just want a certain neighborhood or a certain city, you can do that as well by going to specific area users, and you can select radius, or you can select geofence, where you can actually specify an entire neighborhood, how you want it to go. All right, for this instance, we're going to use all users. And then we're going to go to step 3, content. So here's where you can link content into the push notification, which means when somebody opens up the notification, they're automatically going to be taken to some type of content. So if you don't want to do that, just keep it at none and move on to the next step, which is step 4, publish. But if you do want to link content, you can link a website URL. If you add a new tab or a new information in a tab, and you want your users to know about it, you can send out a push notification and link it to that specific tab. Or you can choose from offers. These are dynamic content offers that are available for different industries. If you wanted to use one, you could just say for instance education. Pick that. You can select the image that you like. If you don't like any of the images, just pick one. Let it come up over here. Then you can change the picture and upload any photo that you want. Right? Once you get over to this point, you're going to adjust the title. Put your content in here for the description of it. Put the name. And the website. Don't forget to preface that with the www, otherwise it won't pick up the URL. And then when you're happy with the way your offer looks, you can change the different styles, borders, colors. Everything's adjustable within here. Once you're pleased with it, then you're going to move on to the next step, which is publish. Now here in the publish section, you have the option to go ahead and send that push notification out to all your users right now, or you can schedule it for a future date. If you do decide to schedule it, say for instance, let's go Saturday, make sure that you have the correct time zone that you want to send it out, otherwise your notification is not going to go out when you want it to. Adjust the time frame. You want to go out at 8 a.m. so that everybody gets that special today only offer early in the morning so they can use it all day long. Alright, so when you're happy with the way you've got it set, you've got your message, you've got your location settings, you've linked your content, and now you've scheduled your push notification to go out on Saturday at 8 o'clock in the morning. Go ahead and hit the green publish message key, and your push notification will go out, and you'll get this notification. Now I'm getting this error message right here because this is just a test app. It's not actually live. When you send one out on your live app, this message will go away, and you'll see the notification pop up down here in your sent message list. That's how to send a push notification out through the BeeCreative mobile app dashboard.